Respected Chief Guest, Sweda Ratna, Senior Superintendent in Postal Department. I am very proud. She is a Cluny School student and volleyball player. As a volleyball coach, I am very happy. Mrs. Sweda Ratna is the right person, today's Chief Guest, and respected Cluny Matriculation School correspondent, Sister, Reverend Sister Lena, and the Cluny School Principal, Reverend Sister Reena, and correspondent of St. Joseph School, Reverend Sister Nova, respected PTA Secretary, Mr. Sendil Nathan, and respected other members of PTA, respected teachers, respected staff, respected guests on the dais, and my dear students, I am great honor to be here for the sports day of the Cluny Matriculation School. I am very happy. I am very proud. Cluny Matriculation School means quality and perfection will be there, and they are maintaining the time management. Rightly, they started 8:30 a.m. today, the sports day. Congratulations, sister. And Cluny Matriculation School produced district level to national level players. I am very proud. Then congratulate all the sports people from district level to international level. Then I congratulate the houses. Topaz is the winner of the sports day meet. Congratulate. And other teams of Ruby and Sapphire and Emerald. Congratulations to all the houses, to the winners and others, all the best in the next year. Cultural activities. I have seen the colorful cultural activities. All the activities are very good, excellent. And I congratulate the team of band. Your Cluny band always is excellent performance. And I congratulate the trainer also. And the performance, we have seen gymnastics, super. Gymnastics students, they have done a super program. And karate also, they have done excellent. And I thanks all the participants and those who are behind the performance. I congratulate all the teachers. First, sports means be healthy. I have seen be healthy, stay healthy, like that. Healthy means sports. Once those who are in sports means we are healthy, always healthy. Healthy. Sports means leadership quality, then tolerance, then skill development, then understanding. All the qualities we can earn through the sports only. Apart from sports, because you are outstanding in sports, we are having the benefits of in engineering colleges, sports quota, 500 seats are there. 500 seats in Tamil Nadu government, 500 seats are in sports quota. Already that first counseling is over for this year. First day counseling for engineering is sports people only. So sports people, we are having a privilege to get the admission in BE. So as a parents and students, so any national player or international player, you get the opportunity in sports quota for getting admission in engineering colleges. Medical colleges, we are having 7 seats in sports quota. So you are eligible for medical seats also through sports quota. And other departments, we are having 10%. In police department, we are having 10% sports quota appointment. Then other departments, we are having 3%. Recently, last December 2024, Tamil Nadu government has given 84 sports people appointment in sports quota. So, we are getting an opportunity through sports, not only healthy, our further education also, we are getting a benefit through sports. Next, you see value. That value means through sports, we are getting respect, and other than value, money. You know very well, Cristiano Ronaldo is the Portugal football player. 5 times he played World Cup, and he played, now he is playing in Saudi Arabia, Al Nassr team. So he is earning yearly $245 million. He is getting money, $245 million. It is the highest paid for a sports person in the world. And for each goal they are awarding $1 lakh. You see the value of your player. Next, in India, Gukesh, you know very well, he is in chess. He is the youngest player, won the world champion title, and Gukesh got awarded 14.5 crores money after winning the world champion, and our Tamil Nadu government has given 5 crores. And he received awarded Khel Ratna award, highest sporting award in India, that Gukesh received. Next, in Salem, you know very well, Mariyappan. Mariyappan is the para-Olympian from Periya Vadagampatti, Omalur Taluk. He is the para-Olympian. 2016, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, he won gold medal, crossing high jump 1.89 meters record. That is 6 feet 2 inches. He is a record holder. Next Olympics, Tokyo, Japan, 2020, he is the silver medalist. Then 2024, Paris, France, he is the bronze medalist. He earned nearly 20 crores through sports, and he awarded in 2017 Arjuna Awardee, Padma Shri Awardee, and 2024 our government has awarded Dayan Chand Khel Ratna Award. It is the highest sporting award. So Salem, the highest sporting award received by our Mariyappan. So we are proud of that. First. Next, you see the dream. Everybody is having a dream. Abdul Kalam quotes, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not yet to sleep. உங்களை தூங்க விடாமல் செய்வதுதான் கனவு. Sarvanika, you know very well Sarvanika, 9 years old girl in chess. He won the Asian title without any draw, without any tiebreaker. That is the record holder. 9 years old Sarvanika from Tamil Nadu. And next, she recently in Albania, she won the rapid chess championship below 10 years, under 10 years age group. And she told, I am having a dream to win the title of the world champion title, and our Indian flag will be hoisted at the time of medal ceremony. You see the 9 years old chess athlete having a dream, our Indian flag will be hoisted at the time of medal ceremony. So that dreams everybody is having. You are even all the school students, you are also having a dream to become a doctor, become an advocate, become a teacher, become a scientist. So everybody is having a dream. So you work hard for that to achieve your dream. Next month, CM trophy is there. CM trophy, district level, then regional level, state level. I request all the students, teachers and management to register for the CM trophy. You are getting a medal and cash award also. In all the games, all the discipline, you will register for that. So, very good, nice. I congratulate the fencing girl, international level, and I am very happy, and I thanks to the principal and correspondent and all others to given me an opportunity for the today function, and Mrs. Lavanya, who also the part of me to overall coming here. I thank all the teachers, students and staff of this school. Thank you once again. I thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for encouraging our students to participate at the national and international levels. May I invite Mr. Rajaram to distribute the prizes to our remaining prize winners.
Certificate of Merit for active participation in gymnastics. They are also district and state level medalists. Charmika T of class 10, Jacqueline Mariam K of class 9, Lancy Cruz G of class 9, Yania KC of class 10, Sweta S of class 9 and Jenitra L of class 7. Now, we have the Certificate of Merit for active participation in the school band for the past 8 years. Dhanushri S of class 12 from Topaz House. Next, we have the Certificate of Merit for active participation in the school band for the past 5 years. Anushri V of class 10 from Ruby House. Jenita Angelin F of class 11 from Ruby House. Diasha S of class 10 from Topaz House. Dashni R S of class 11 from Emerald House. Dashni S of class 11 from Ruby House. Next, we have the Certificate of Merit for active participation in the school band for less than 5 years. Pavitra Vardhani S of class 11 from Emerald House. Darshini R of class 9 from Ruby House. Inia U of class 9 from Topaz House. Lohita T of class 9 from Emerald House. Tanya Selvarani F of class 9 from Sapphire House. Vedavarshini DR of class 7 Sapphire House. Vijolin Infantia F of class 9 from Emerald House. Jalan Rani N of class 7 Ruby House. Sanjana Shri D of class 7 Sapphire House. Sanjita KJ of class 7 Topaz House. Hasnia Rafa K of class 8 Sapphire House. Pau Yansi Fiona P of class 9 Topaz House. Lakshana G of class 8 Topaz House. Hanishka RS of Class 8, Ruby House. Tanya Raj Prihot, Class 8, Ruby House. Hema MK, Class 8, Sapphire House. Saumitra Shri N of Class 10, Emerald House. Tarunika M of Class 6, Topaz House. Saudharnya BM of Class 10, Ruby House. Hasini M of Class 6, Ruby House. Infant Jovita K of Class 6, Topaz House. Jenilia DJ of Class 9, Emerald House. Harshini R of Class 9, Emerald House. Nila G of Class 9, Emerald House. Ritika RJ of Class 9, Emerald House. And the band conductor Adira K of Class 1 from Ruby House. Next, we have the Certificate of Merit for active participation in the school march past. Sahana B of Class 12, Emerald House. Tanushka Shri SK of Class 12, Emerald House. Tiffy Jelisha A of Class 12, Ruby House. Shri Lakshmi M of Class 12, Ruby House. Ritika Y of Class 12, Sapphire House. Shahin S of Class 12, Sapphire House. Danya Shri V of Class 12, Sapphire House. Abhirami V of Class 12, Topaz House. Diksha V of Class 12, Topaz House. Nidula J of Class 12, Topaz House. Fatima Fairoz, Class 12, Topaz House. Next, we have the championship for various category. The sub-juniors is backed by Lakshana A of Emerald House. For juniors, Malar P of Class 8 from Topaz House. Seniors, Ranjini MR from Class 10, Emerald House. Super Seniors, Sadvika R of Class 11, Ruby House. And Sashwata S of class 11 Sapphire House.
And now, the most awaited part, the March Past results. In the fourth place is the Emerald House with 10 points. In the third place stands the Topaz House with 20 points. In the second place is the Ruby House with 30 points. And in the first place is the Sapphire House with 50 points. Congratulations to the March Past winners, the Sapphire House. And the cup, the much awaited cup for March Past goes to the winner house, the Sapphires. And happy to tell you that the March Past Winners Cup is being sponsored by the PTA. Children, some of you move that side. Arrange yourself. Mrs. Suganya and Mrs. Anushka to come forward to join along with your team. Congratulations. All the Kanimoli ma'am, please you join. Please come forward, Kanimoli ma'am. Congratulations, Sapphire House, for your teamwork and a lot of hard work. To the first place. Congratulations. Mrs. Satya Ji from St. Joseph Matriculation Higher Secondary School and Ms. Devi Ji from Cluny Vidya Niketan. Thank you, dear judges, for being available and doing the needful for us. Thank you once again. Thank you, dear track judges, for being with us in spite of all your busy schedule. Thank you once again. We now have the results of the visitors' game. In the first place is Mrs. Kirba R. Mrs. Kirba R. Visitors' game. Second place is backed by Mrs. Cecilia. And the third place goes to Mr. Raja CS. Congratulations to the visitors for taking an active part in the game, and not only that, winning the prize. Congratulations to all the three of you.
Gratitude is the memory of heart, and today my heart is truly filled. Good afternoon, one and all. What a fantastic day it has been. We ran faster, cheered louder, and stood taller, not just as individuals, but as one spirited Cluny family. On behalf of all the students, it's my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks as we bring this exciting sports day to a close. First and foremost, we thank the Almighty for blessing us with perfect weather, safety, and joy that filled every race and every cheer. A heartfelt thank you to our chief guest, Ms. Swati Ratna, Senior Superintendent of Post Offices. Ma'am, despite your demanding schedule, you chose to be with us, inspire us. Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening today's event. Our sincere gratitude to our guest of honor, Mr. Rajaram N., Retired Assistant Director, Sports Authority of India. Sir, your presence and encouragement added great strength and grace to today's celebration. We express our deep gratitude to our beloved correspondent, Reverend Sister Lima, whose constant support and guidance are foundation of our school's success. To our principal, Reverend Sister Reena, the powerhouse of our school, thank you for believing in us and pushing us to do our best. Your dedication and commitment to the holistic development of each student shine through days like today. A special word of thanks to all Reverend Fathers, brothers and sisters. Your prayers, blessings and presence add meaning to every milestone we celebrate. To the PTA and the COSA members, we are grateful to you all for being a constant pillar of support and for always backing every initiative with enthusiasm. To our teachers and non-teaching staff, you are the invisible engine behind this smooth and spectacular show. Your planning, patience, practice session made everything possible today. Thank you for standing behind, believing in us, and being the strength behind every Cluny success story. To our parents, your cheers, smile, and support energized us more than any medal. Thank you for your constant encouragement and for celebrating our efforts with so much love. To our sports teachers, thank you for every drill, correction, and push that shaped today's champions. Your passion and commitment made this event come alive. A thunderous applause to the winning house. You have earned every point with grit, teamwork, and true sportsmanship. Congratulations on claiming the trophy. To all the winners, well done. You didn't just run, jump, or throw. You inspired. You have set the bar high for all of us. And finally, to every participant, you are the heart of this day. Your spirit, enthusiasm, and sportsmanship made this sports day unforgettable. Whether you won or not, you showed up, gave your best, and had fun. And that's what truly counts. As we wind up this electrifying day, let's remember, medals fade, but memories last forever. Let's carry forward the spirit of teamwork, resilience, and respect from the track to our classroom and from the field to our future. Thank you one and all for making the sports day unforgettable. Thank you once again.
is accompanied by the captain and co-workers. The flag is now being folded. It is to be handed over to the head of the institution for safekeeping till the next sports meet. The school pupil leader, Tanisha Grace, marches towards the dais. I humbly request the audience to stand up for the national anthem.